Here to discuss that and much more is power broker Ryan Serhant. He's the founder and CEO of Serhant, which now has 1,500 agents across 14 major markets nationwide. And you have a partnership with T-Mobile. How many real estate agents are signing partnerships with T-Mobile in the meantime?
Well, real estate brokerages signing partnerships with T-Mobile. It's actually a first of its kind deal. We just announced it today, and it's incredibly exciting to bring what they call super mobile. So we're working with T-Mobile for Business to bring super mobile to our AI operating system for salespeople. We are AI for real estate. It's called Simple. It's changed the game.
Whatever that means. It sounds like you're very tech forward, and I admire that, especially in this fast changing landscape. I'm also going to throw another curveball at you because you're so good at handling that.
Okay,
and then I promise we'll get into all the real estate stuff. Netflix today, on which you have a very successful show that has helped launch your career, and you're a great partner with them. And the new season is happening now, or?
It just started streaming this weekend. Season 2 is the greatest TV show in the history of the world.
Okay, great. So
that's the tagline, actually.
Yeah. It is.
Were Netflix, then, I'm sure you've seen the headlines, to buy this movie studio business from Warner Brothers. Do you, as just a person who's become popular, successful on Netflix, have any opinion or care at all about what they do? You just want to see them continue to dominate?
I actually, when we created this show, it was called House of Serhant, and we were pitching it, and I brought it to Netflix and Amazon and Peacock and HBO, and actually chose Netflix. So it would be kind of wild to say, well, good thing I didn't choose anyone else. Netflix is just going to buy everybody anyway. And I'm glad they announced it the same day Owning Manhattan Season 2 came out, because I was nervous about the bandwidth, for Netflix to manage all of the viewers globally. So they had to go and buy HBO just to make sure they were okay.
Indeed.
Let's talk about the national housing market. I know it's less interesting than the Netflix show, but they're connected.
100%.
Right, they are connected. What are you seeing in the housing? Are you seeing any loosening? Because, man, mortgage rates have been just stubbornly stuck at like 6.5% for like a year and a half. It's got to be frustrating for buyers and, frankly, for your team.
Well, what's frustrating is that everyone tells me the housing market is broken. And it's not broken. It is doing exactly what it was designed to do, which is the problem, right? The housing market rewards scarcity, okay, and it disincentivizes mobility. Scarcity because rates are so high. 90% of all home loans are under 90% in the United States. Why would you move and go and get a new loan if you need to go buy something?
I hear it all the time.
Loans are at 30-year fixed, right? Why would you move? You're going to disincentivize people to move, and that's exactly what's happening. Tax code 121, right? The IRS, 1997, $500,000 deduction in capital gains on your home for married filing jointly. 1997 is when that came out. That was almost 30 years ago.
They need to raise that. They have to raise that.
You know what the price was of a median home in the United States in 1997 was $124,000. Wow. The exemption doesn't mean anything
So you're saying the tax code disincentivizes people selling their home that may have a large gain in that house. That's why you see empty nesters with no kids at home living in a 5-bedroom house.
And they're not moving.
Because they're not going anywhere.
Because they can't afford to sell. So you talk about, 46% year-to-date listings in the United States are coming off market. It's not because people aren't getting the prices that they don't like or because they don't have another place to go. It's because it's too expensive to sell. And you have some seasonality that's coming back, too, right? And a little bit of ego. There's a little bit of, I'm not going to get my 2021 COVID price, then I'm not going to sell. Totally. Or where I'm going is incredibly expensive. But most of those homes that are coming off the market are in markets that have really grown since COVID. So that's Miami, that's Denver, that's Houston. It's not indicative of the entire national landscape.
I wonder what we do then from here. I mean, again, I wonder how much of this is still a story of super high mortgage rates. In fact, didn't slow prices as much as we thought when it first happened, but maybe it's now starting to. I don't know. I just wonder, it kind of goes back to the affordability piece. If the mortgage rate isn't going to come down dramatically, then at some point it seems like prices will have to.
No, rates aren't going to affect pricing. Inventory is going to affect pricing. So if you raise the capital gains exclusion, right, I think they were actually talking about it this morning. They've mentioned it again and trying to create new policy.
Take it to $1 million.
Right? At least, okay? The housing market isn't broken. It is following its exact design. Okay? And that is the problem. And you need to have lawmakers who step up, who incentivize Americans to move again, exactly like they did in 1997. It's been almost 30 years. It is time. We're waiting. I'm ready to go.